Hello, Mr. Bledsoe. This is Destiny Herring from your A2 class, and this is my Unit 4 video project. So you actually assigned us a parent function, and my parent function was y equals log of x, and I decided that my transform function was going to be y equals a vertical reflection followed by a vertical stretch of 3, right 3, and up 2. This graph is actually not drawn to 100% scale, but you know, it did the trick, I guess you could say. So first I want to start out with my parent function's asymptotes, which is x equals 1 and y equals 0, and I actually didn't show it on the graph, but I can actually show you on the paper, which is actually right here, which is where the actual parent function starts, which is this line right here going up and down. And I actually color coordinated everything. So here is my key. My parent function is actually in pink, which is actually right here. So this is log of x, which is my parent function. So we're going to start doing my transformations. So first we're going to start out with the vertical reflection, which has been assigned to the red color. So simply you just, what I did was I actually folded my paper in half according to where my graph was, and that's the easiest way to get a vertical reflection for me. So I did that, and I coordinated that with the red, and then we're going to do a vertical stretch by 3, which when you say stretch, it's really just getting skinnier and skinnier and skinnier, which causes it to look longer, which is shown by the brown right here. So this is my new function, I guess you could say, or my new my new function. And then we're going to translate that up 3, which is coordinated with the purple, which is actually right here. So we just simply moved it right 3, which is going this way to the right 3. And then the last transformation I had to do was translate up 2, which I simply did. As you can see, I just moved it up 2, and that was it right there. So we're going to start talking about the characteristics of the graph now. So my vertex or my anchor point was 1, 0, which means basically that my vertex was on the x-axis with 1, and then it was just 0 for y. My end behavior is that when x reaches infinity, y will reach negative infinity. My domain is that x is greater than 0, which means it can never be a negative number. And then for my range is that 0 is greater than y, which means that my y is actually a negative number. So it's y is less than or equal to 0. I actually did not have any asymptotes with this new transform function, and there was no symmetry either. So as I said, my transform function was y equals a vertical reflection followed by a vertical stretch of 3, and then right 3 and up 2. And this is my new transform function. Thank you. As I said, this is Destiny Herring from your A2, and this is my Unit 4 video project.